How to be safe on Craigslist. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can be safe on Craigslist, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to be safe on Craigslist, let's say that you keep on buying something from Craigslist, you're afraid of the scam and you want to learn to be safe. Well, being safe really all depends upon you, but still I can give you a couple of tips from my own personal experience. Number one, I recommend you do is always use your proxy email address or phone number, either with your virtual number or whatever else you actually can provide. Second is to always plan details in advance. Do not just go ahead and then just go and talk to them in there, because you want to make sure to plan the details and then meet them in a public environment, not in private environment, but somewhere public like a restaurant or a cafe or near a shop or anywhere else. I always recommend you to meet in public, and if possible you can also try to actually bring a friend with you. And you also want to make sure to actually stay safe when a buyer comes to your house, because if you're personally inviting them to your house, you want to actually just make sure that you're safe. I just recommend you not invite them over the house at all. The other thing I would recommend you do is to always use a secure form of payment, such as it could be Cash App, Venmo, depending upon the region. Just use digital form of payment rather than paying by cash, because that is one of the most secure ways. And trust your instincts when vetting buyers, because sometimes you might also want to go to the buyer's profile page or the seller's profile page, see if they've scammed anybody, or try to see their other products if they're selling something as well. And then you should be able to go ahead and do this. And last but not the least, always inspect the items before forking over your cash. So just make sure to inspect the item properly before giving cash to the seller. This way you can avoid getting scammed on Craigslist and learn to be safe. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.